talent. Our candidate number 1, Mrs. Chona Bernas from Grade 5 Aga. Our best in talent will receive a sash, a certificate, and a kiss from our Casual wear 2025
Number one!
is
Number one! Number one!
candidate number 1. From Grade 5 Aga.
Ako naman.
Our best in casual wear will receive a sash, a certificate,
Ganda. May video.
and a free picture.
Ako the word
Free
yan.
picture.
Shot mo.
Our best in evening gown 2025 winner.
Number one! Number one! Number one!
Kuya, isang drum roll pa mo.
Number one!
Candidate number 1 is Valentine 2025. Drum roll, please. None other than Mrs. Chona Perlas, our candidate number 1. Talaga naman.
Lala pista.
Congratulations, madam. And the rest of our candidates, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Patuloy niyo po ang suportahan ang Turo Elementary School. To our judges, thank you so much. Ang ating salamat sa mga guro. Magkakaroon po kayo ng pagkakataon na walang pupa sa kawan. Hindi kasi kayo teacher, kaya magaganda kayo. Subukan nyo mag-teacher.